Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make game pass for please donate. So if you want to add game pass or items in please donate, then how can you create game pass first? So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com on your phone in any browser, and it will take you to the login page. You have to enter your username and password. After entering the username password, now it will take you to this home page, and now you have to tap on three dot and enable the desktop site mode. So because this website only works in desktop mode, so you have to enable this option. So once you enable, now if you want to create game pass, then what you need to do, you just have to tap on this create tab. It will take you to the creation tab in dashboard, and now in the experiences, just tap on this image, and now you have to tap on this menu button, three bar menu button on the left top, and now you have to scroll and tap on this associate items. Fine, let me go back, tap on it again. Now tap on menu again and just tap on this associate items. It will take you to the associate items, where you can see the passes option, passes tab. Just tap on it, and the your game passes will be listed here. Once you create, just tap on create a pass option, and now you have to upload the image, enter the name, enter the description, and just tap on create pass to create a game pass. Just upload the image. So the image should be in this format: jpg, png, and bmp. So once you create game pass, what you need to do, you have to tap on the newly created game pass. Suppose this is my newly created game pass, and now once you tap on newly created game pass, tap on three bar, and you have to tap on seal option to configure it. So you have to tap on this button item for sale to enable it. Just enable this option and enter the price. You can you want to set, so you can enter any price. So let's suppose I'm gonna enter 100 robux. So since we know that creators earning 70%, it means you will get 70% out of it. It means you will get 70 robux out of 100. Just tap on save changes, and your game pass configuration has been successfully set. Now once you're done with this, now you can add this game pass to your roblox. Please donate on roblox. How will you do that? Let's move to the please donate. Just go to roblox app. Let me disable the dark mode. When the game open, now you have to tap on please donate game. So you can search for it, or you can tap, if you have played recently, so you will find this game in the recent games. So just play this game. Now you have to look for any empty stand. So like this is the empty stand I can use. Fine, so I can claim this stand. Just hold this button and your game parcel will be listed here. Oh, I have already a booth. So where is that booth? I think I have let me go to this booth. Let me go to claimed. So why? So I think this is something error that I am encountering. So I think it was already claimed. I have to look for this. Let me claim this one. What happened? NVM. I'm not being able to understand what is this error. Just guys, let me know why I'm not being able to claim the. If you know the reason, NVM is the error that I'm actually getting. I have to leave this game and let me rejoin if I can fix it. It could be the server issue, so let me move to this server. Yeah, you can see that my game passes has been listed here. So yeah, that's how you can do it. That's how you can add your game passes. So if you get these kind of error like NVM and you claim the booth but your item are not listing, then you can exit the server and rejoin the server by playing this game again, and your problem must be solved. So hope you like it, hope you understood, and your game pass it will be listed here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.